Alright, we're going to make broccoli and carrots and chicken. Some of these are just simple recipes. My daughter knows how to do some of this stuff if she needs to look it up. I have the oven preheating to 350. And I put down a thin layer of, or not thin, but a layer of broccoli and carrots. And I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken breast on top of that and let it cook. And then the oils from the chicken are the oils that you need on top of your vegetables. So it's not just plain oils, it's seasoned. And then on that I get just natural sea salt. Dun, dun, dun. Put some of that on there. And then I put a little bit of garlic and parsley. You can just put garlic, and we use our garlic heavily. And Italian seasoning. And just shake it to our heart is content. You can also add onion to this. That's Juju walking around in the background, being noisy. And then I just take each chicken breast and put on top of there. As soon as I can get a hold of one. And just put a layer of them, and I'm not going to cover them up. I'll just cook them like this, but you can put foil over it and cover it up. And then I'll cook it on 350 for roughly about 45 minutes. And it'll be ready. Thanks for watching.